For manufacturers, warranty claims processing is critical, complex, manual, and error-prone. Network dealers struggle to file customer claims, including overwhelming data entry, asset IDs, serial numbers, coverage time, fault codes, all without real-time guidance. Consequences include incomplete claims, delays, and 9% to 10% of claims rejected for duplication or fraud. And for manufacturers, failing to trace faulty parts back to suppliers equals lost revenue. We have a solution: Cognizant Warranty Claims Assistant, an AI-powered assistant built natively on top of Salesforce industry clouds. It guides dealers through the entire claims process with intelligence, responsiveness, and precision. Cognizant Warranty Claims Assistant understands natural language, validates warranty eligibility, suggests fault codes, flags duplicates, and maps faulty parts to suppliers. The results: dealers can file claims in under 3 minutes, virtually eliminating back and forth. Translation: faster submissions, fewer errors, happier dealers, and a 24/7 AI assistant that reduces support overhead. Reinvent your warranty operations with Cognizant Warranty Claims Assistant and unlock speed, scale, and intelligence in every claim.